Put it on me.
Hey, Riley. Hey, Riley.
Are you sharing with your poppy?
Awesome.
John and I had an Alzheimer's unit in Wichita Falls. I went to it today.
House of Hope?
No. It's a place behind, well, I guess House of Hope, but there's also this place behind my college.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I know what you're talking about.
My nurse was telling me about it, and
Y'all are
Chaos
silly.
is marking his territory right now because he smelled someone's poop.
Rylan, tell me hi. Say, girls.
Huh.
No.
Hey, Riley.
Some mean stuff.
My boy.
Are you taping all this?
Yeah. Rylan, say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi again. Hi. Hi. Say, girls. Who loves girls? Tell me bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Where's your booty?